Hello and welcome to this Strawberry 7 classroom tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video, I will be showing you how to archive classes, restore classes, and giving you some recommendations of further videos to watch to give you some more information on Google Classroom. So in here, we're in a demo class, and this is just gotten to by going to classroom.google.com. And when you do that and sign in, you will see any classes which you are a member of as a teacher. If you wish to archive one of these classes, it's a very straightforward process. You just click the dots on the right here, and you'll have an option for archive. We'll click that to archive this class. It will ask us if we're sure that we wish to archive this class. It will tell us that they can't be updated, but that you will be able to access files and historic assignments that you've created in that class even once it's archived. So let's archive this class. And you'll notice that this class is no longer visible in our main classroom view. If we wish to access this class to either view it or restore it, then click the lines in the top left and go to Archived Classes. We'll now see this is the Archive section. This can be indicated by the fact that it says Archived Classes at the top, and you'll notice that in the header there are these striped lines throughout the headers to show that these are archived classes. If we wish to restore this class that we archived, we can simply click the dots again and click Restore. There's also an option to delete the class completely, but I would recommend not doing this unless you have very specific reasons to do it, because this will delete all of the work and the assignments in the class as well. So we'll click this button to restore the class. It will then say that the class is going to be restored and that you and your students will be able to interact with this class again, and it will be shown under the classes area. So it's something to bear in mind that the students that were previously assigned to this class will be able to interact with it again. If you wanted to change this, then the best way to do that is to restore the class and then remove the old students from the class. I'll show you how to do that now. So we'll just click Restore, and we'll go back to our live classes. You can see that it's now back as a live class. We'll go into the class, click People at the top, and you will be able to see any students who are active in this case or were previously invited to the class. If you wish to remove any of them, you simply tick them, go to Actions and click Remove. You'll only be able to do this after the class has been restored. If you wish to access assignments in archived classes, then that's very straightforward to do. I'll show you how to do that now. It's basically the same process as if you wish to reuse an assignment from another class, but I'll just demonstrate how that works. So let's say that we've got this class that we have this assignment in, which we can see here as English essay in English class Mr. Pearce. So I'm going to archive this class now, as we did before. And then I want to reuse that assignment that was in English class Mr. Pearce in this class here. So we'll go into this class, we'll go to Classwork, we'll go to Create, and we will say Reuse Post. And you'll notice that we have English class Mr. Pearce with archived in brackets. So even though this class is archived, we can still select this class and we can still reuse the post and the assignment which was here. And we can click on that and we can reuse it even though that class is archived. So if you do want to reuse work from an archived class, there's no need to restore the class completely. You can still do that even with the class archived. I would recommend that after you've watched this video, you check out our other video, which is in the top right just now, and that video will show you more in-depth features in Google Classroom, including how to create new classes, how to assign work, how to give feedback on work, how to manage students and teachers, as well as a lot of other things that you can do in Google Classroom. So I definitely recommend.
Finally, as always, thank you for watching. That concludes this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for more videos you'd like to see, let us know. If you liked this video, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel for all the latest updates.